If you are a electronics enthusiast, you would understand that creating your circuits would need a pristine and dedicated environment. While simple solder could be done on a soldering helping hand, it cannot be the base of your operations. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 soldering mats on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Winspections Soldering Mat. First on our list is the Winspections Soldering Mat, which comes with a wide range of lockable shelves and boxes to store away key components such as screws, etc. Starting off with the size of the mat, the repair mat has a very large 17.71 inches x 11.81 inches working area, which would give you a very large room to work on. Out of the space, it has a great deal of boxed up shelves to store a lot of objects. With the mat, you will have a 3-parts box for small losable parts, and it has several screwdriver slots and magnetic notches for the classification of IC chips and many more. It also comes with a 36 cm long scale ruler for better usability. Apart from these, it has a circuit board location area, a total of 124 screw position rooms, 2 tool supply boxes, 1 large tool room box, 4 small parts box and 3 magnetic boxes of storage. This multifunctional mat is made out of high-quality heat-insulated silicone material that is non-toxic and can withstand a high temperature of 500 degrees Celsius. It can block static electricity and also comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee as well. Number 2. Seatic Heat Insulation Silicone Repair Mat. Next on our list is the Seatic Heat Insulation Silicone Repair Mat. The mat comes in 3 different size options, and this can be picked from 250 mm, 300 mm and 350 mm widths, with corresponding 350 mm, 450 mm and 550 mm lengths. It has a considerable thickness of 0.17 inches, which is both slim yet great to work on. The mat is magnetized at areas to facilitate a magnetic-free main work area. Out of the entire mat, only 3 areas are magnetized, and this offers superior work area. It has over 124 screw positions and multiple notches for classifying IC chips and small parts that would help in developing the efficiency of working and have a tidy working environment. The repair mat is heat insulated and can resist temperatures as high as 500 degrees centigrade to 932 F that would prevent any level of accidental burning on the board. Made out of high-quality silicone material, the mat can resist any corrosion or losing elasticity or shape. It has an anti-slip design to it which would let it stay in its place without any constant moving. Number 3. Seatic Soldering Mat. Third on our list is a magnetic silicone-built electronic repair mat with a 15.9 inches x 12 inches large workspace. The Seatic Soldering Mat also comes a boxed-up multi-shelved model too, but with comparatively smaller work area, complete with closable lids and everything. The mat has a total of 68 slots to store and holds small components such as screws and other elements mid-repair. This helps you have a clean and tidy workplace all the time. Made out of high-quality silicone material, the mat has heavy heat insulation and can even resist temperatures as high as 500 degrees Celsius as well 932 degrees Fahrenheit. While it is powerful against fire, it is also smooth at the same time and prevents any kind of scratches as well. The mat is also safe against weak acid or a weak alkaline as well. Non-toxic and odorless, the bottom of the mat is anti-slip and stays at a place until moved. It also comes with a quick response to customer support that provides a 100% customer satisfaction service. Number 4. Seaworld Soldering Mat. Up next, we have a magnetic silicone soldering and repair mat with a 13.8 inches x 9.8 inches large workspace. The Seaworld Soldering Mat has a typical mat design, but is also available in a boxed-up multi-shelved model too that is complete with closable lids. This mat comes with a total of 115 slots to hold small components like mini screws or resistors or capacitors, etc. You can have a tidy workspace without a lot of complaints of loosening screws, etc. The mat is made out of high-quality silicone material and comes with incredibly high heat insulation of 500 degrees Celsius that amounts to about 932 degrees Fahrenheit. It has an anti-scratch workspace surface and an anti-slip bottom for stable ground. It has a weak acid resistance and also alkaline resistance as well. It is non-toxic and does not have any odor and comes with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee as well. Number 5. Lifeq Heat Insulation Silicone Repair Mat. Finally on our list is the Lifeq Heat Insulation Silicone Repair Mat that comes with a wide range of boxed-up shelves and a decent workspace with a large mat size. Starting off with the size of the mat, you have a large 17.7 inches x 11.8 inches mat that comes with an inbuilt inscribed ruler of the size 0 to 36 centimeters. The entire mat consists of 3-part boxes, 4 magnetic work areas, 124 screw positions and 42 spare unit spaces, and a total of 15 notches. These are highly useful in the classification of various small parts. They help in improving the organizing of the workspace and also improve your work efficiency. The mat has great heat insulation to it and works as an ideal workstation of small repairs and projects. The high grade of silicone used has a non-toxic build, an anti-skid surface, retardant that can resist heat up to the typical 500 degrees centigrade, 932 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is also non-corrosive. Flexible and highly durable, the mat comes with a great 24 hours customer service team as well. The mat is also available in a smaller size for a lesser price tag as well. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.